So in the past, when I got stuck with this business, it was because it was taking forever to create good designs. It took maybe $50 per design to pay the designer, but it also took me hours of communication with the designers, waiting for them, sometimes weeks, to deliver the design, etc. So instead of that, I had this brilliant idea to just use artificial intelligence. So this is DALL-E. It's a tool from OpenAI, which is the company which made ChatGPT. So basically artificial intelligence. And I asked it to create a picture of a very friendly golden retriever who's waving. And it created some pictures. I didn't love them. I asked for revisions. But after about 3 minutes, I came up with this one. And all you would have to do is just across the top, you would add text like wave if you like golden retrievers. And you see, I already have a picture like that a designer made for me, which was not so engaging. This one right here. This is just kind of a bland picture of a retriever. It's fine, but it's not so engaging. It's not waving. I think this one is actually maybe a little amateurish in the design, but I kind of like how it's waving, and I can keep asking AI to keep augmenting the design until I really love it. But you see, this takes 3 minutes and is essentially almost free, like just pennies, because you have to pay every time you redesign with DALL-E. But this is just pennies and minutes versus a week of waiting and actually maybe like 2 hours of my time fully spent and $50. And I think this one will be better. So I'm probably going to end up solving the design issue with AI and actually working with somebody who's design minded to actually create these designs, put the wave if you like on top of it, put that on a t-shirt and upload that to the store and publish it. And a few minutes later, I used a different AI tool called Midjourney, and it actually created designs that look like this, really cool. Wave if you like, this is huskies, but really cute picture. If you just look at the picture, this model isn't somebody I know. This model that's wearing it and all these different models, never mind them. I got them from a website like this, Place It. This is basically a website where you go, you see you can kind of put designs on models, different models, right? That's an easy way to get models, but the design itself, that's what I want to show you. You see, wave if you like huskies, pretty cool. Now this picture looks like a professional made it. And again, it only took a few revisions with AI, so only a few minutes. And suddenly, I would say this looks pretty professional. Like the design doesn't look like an amateur made it. And it's certainly an upgrade from the designers that I hired. So for the next few months, I'll probably just keep making designs and then relaunch this site as a real store with a lot of good designs, with a lot of good t-shirts. So that within weeks, we have, instead of like a few t-shirts here and there, will be like a fully created store that then will actually look professional instead of amateurish here, because it looks amateurish because there's just like few designs. But then it will look a little bit more professional, like this is a real thing, people will buy more readily, and then we can start experimenting with unique marketing strategies. And that's actually all made possible by AI solving the design issue, because working with designers actually is what made me stop this business in the first place, because it was just too time consuming. And this is an update one day later, because actually somebody suggested to me, hey, everybody loves coffee, make a coffee t-shirt. So instead of waiting for a designer to design something for a week and then do revisions for another week and blah, 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 it took like 5 minutes, and I created and uploaded this wave if you like coffee. And actually, I plan to send it to that person for free as a gift, because you see the turnaround is so fast. Now, if there's anything in the news, like let's say there's a new show on Netflix that's super popular, I can make something about that, wave if you like that. It only is going to take me 10 minutes to make it, so boom, I'm going to make it. And in your case, if you have something similar that you can maybe do with AI, well, suddenly this enables you, if you see some celebrity and they're talking about anything, take 15 minutes, make that tweet to them so that it's there while the topic is still fresh on their mind. And they might go like, oh, that's really funny and that was super fast, retweet. And suddenly you have this exposure. Because a lot of people who love coffee, they love coffee. So it's kind of fun, and you see, just it's taking a shorter and shorter amount of time to make these as I get better at it. So I just wanted to show you this quick update on the progress.